Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your drawing lecture. So, students, in today's lecture, we are going to learn a new topic. And in today's lecture, the name of our topic is boat drawing. Okay, students? तो बच्चों, आज के हमारे लेक्चर में हम लोग एक नया टॉपिक सीखेंगे और आज का हमारा टॉपिक का नाम है बोट ड्रॉइंग. Okay, so now we will see what materials we will need for today's lecture. So बच्चों, अभी हम लोग देखेंगे हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें लगेंगी आज के हमारे ड्राइंग लेक्चर की. So you are going to take your drawing book and on the right hand side page you are going to start with your drawing. बच्चों, अब आपका ड्राइंग राइट हैंड साइड पेज पे स्टार्ट करोगे. ओके, then you will need a pencil, a eraser, scale. You can take a small scale or else a big scale, colors and your sketch pen which you will need. Okay, so these are the materials which we will need for today's lecture. So let's start. Okay, so students, before starting with any drawing, we are going to first create margin, and for margin we are going to use a scale and pencil. Okay, after creating margin, we are going to write our today's topic, and today's our topic is boat drawing. And also we are going to write date over here. We are going to write today's date. Okay, so we are done with the date and the topic now. So now we will start with a drawing. And as I told you, we are going to draw boat drawing, for which we will need a scale. With the help of scale, we are going to do our today's drawing. So students, you will see how I am doing and you will also do the same way. Okay. So first we are going to take a scale and we are just going to keep it in a slant line. See students, I am not keeping it in a straight way. मैं कैसे रख रही हूँ? मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे टेढ़ा करके रख रही हूँ. So you are also going to do the same way. Then we are going to mark a line. First we will draw it lightly. Why? Because if it's coming correct, then only we will darken it. Okay, then from this point to this point, we are going to join the line. And after it's coming correct, we are just going to darken it. And from upwards also we are going to join it. First draw it lightly. Then we are just going to do a small flag over here. And a small man over here like this. Just make a circle, and from here just do like this. Okay. See students, our boat is ready. It's very simple to draw. Yes or no? Yes. And now we are just going to show water wave. That we will show with the help of sketch pen. Okay? Okay, now we will start coloring our boat. With the help of crayon colors, we will start with a coloring section. For boat, I am going to use red color and yellow color. So first I am going to start with the red color, which I am going to give over here. And the beach line, the inside line, I am going to color it with the help of yellow color. Okay? See students, I have left the space inside because there we are going to apply yellow color. So students, we are done with the red color. Now we are going to use our orange color, which we are going, sorry, yellow color, which we are going to apply over here. Okay. So with the help of yellow color, start. See students, just like this. Now we will color a flag and a man over here. For man's head, we are going to apply black color. Okay, so we are done with the man. Now we will move to a flag over here. So the colors which we are going to use is orange, white and green color. So first, with the help of orange color, we will start from the up part. Then for the Ashoka Chakra, we are going to use blue color. And for the down section, we are going to use green color. See, just like this, our flag is also done. Now with the help of light blue color, we will start coloring the down part. Okay, means we are just going to show the water like this. If you all want, you all can use sketch pen also. So see students, our today's drawing is done, and today we have done boat drawing and our drawing is completely done. So students, for your homework, you are going to do the same way I have shown you and you are going to send me. तो बच्चों, आपके होमवर्क के लिए आप सेम ऐसे ही करोगे जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया है और आप मुझे आपका होमवर्क सेंड करोगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, if you all want, you all can give with the help of sketch pen also. You all can show the water, or else you all can show with the help of color also. Okay, I have shown water on this boat also, but because of the color it's not visible. See, I have done it with the help of sketch pen, so it is visible. Okay students, thank you.